Howdy, Ken Pederson coming at you with Ken's Corner, Friday the 19th. Hey, got to get it out of my head. Eagles last night. I know, preseason. I preach it myself. Doesn't mean anything. You still want to come out and play good, look sharp. They didn't look sharp. They didn't play good. Porous defense, 3 picks in 1 half. It's okay. Plenty of time, but they have some work to do, okay? So all you Eagle fans, sit tight, be patient. Should be an interesting year. All right. So I know you know these things already, but a couple things I got to touch on. Number one, okay, FHA loan limits, they're coming down, okay? They were bumped up artificially back in 08 and 09, but they're coming back down October 1st. Unless something happens in most counties where FHA loan limits were raised, they're coming back down. In Lancaster County, they're dropping all the way down to 270 and change, okay? So that's number one. Number two, USDA funding fee being reduced, monthly mortgage insurance being added to the payment October 1st for loans approved through USDA after October 1st. So even if you write a contract on the 20th of September, if it's not approved until October, the changes are in effect. So lenders, borrowers, realtors need to be aware of those. Okay, now, if you look to my headline, the generosity generation, okay? So there's a shift going on. And it really started in 2011 and after the 2001, 9/11, 2001, and the go-go years of 07, 08, 09. And there's a shift. And you can participate in the shift or you don't. You don't have to. It's okay. My gut's telling me it's the right thing to participate in the shift. And let me just think about what it says, the generosity generation. And it's getting away from the me to the you. And it's how you work with your network. And I believe this to be really true. If you take care of those around you, and this is really sort of the premise of the generosity generation, which is to give. Instead of just me. It's taking care of those people around you, your sphere of influence. So it's taking your relationships to the next level. You know those people, but you really got to get to know them. And how are you helping them? How are you helping your sphere? How are you helping those in business? How are you helping them grow their business? Who are you connecting? Who within your sphere are you connecting? Are you a connector with other people within your network? Okay, one from here. Sit down with a cup of coffee. Not just an introduction. Get to know. Introduce these people. Be a connector. Network more effectively. Okay. So who are you connecting, and how are you helping the people in your sphere? The more people you help, the more people you treat well. And I know we all treat people well, but I'm saying to the next level. It's the old saying, when you give of yourself, the more you give, the more you get. And that's the premise of the generosity generation. It's connecting, it's giving more, it's taking care of, getting to know better. It's adding fuel to the fire. It's not just planting the crops. It's fertilizing. It's tending to. It's caring for those crops so they grow up to be great, big, bountiful fruit or veggies or whatever you're growing. So if you want to learn more about the generosity generation, come to the seminar. The link's below. Besides getting Steve Harney and Daryl Davis, and besides the entrance fee of $79, which is being waived for you, okay? It's all covered by the sponsors. You're going to get more information on the generosity generation and some, what I think is some really great stuff that will help you in your business right now, not tomorrow, not next year, right now. We're always working today for tomorrow. You know that. But it's to help today, right away, okay? So click on the link. Hope to see you on September 8th. And in the meantime, let me leave you with this quote. It's a mantra. not just a quote. You can say this every day. Each and every day, someone, somewhere in your city needs your help. Your job, go find that person. Each and every day, someone, somewhere, nearby needs your help and your services. Your job, go find that person. You have a great day, a fantastic weekend, and we'll catch you next week. Connect.